Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends, and you're wondering what I'm doing here with this mess? Well, this is the carousel, and I'm actually adding some lighting into it, so it's not so dark underneath, as per se. So, anyway, I got some Christmas lights, and I'm just basically putting them in 3 per section, and it works out perfect. And I've tried various methods using clips to hang them on. It somewhat works. The brick method, building it back up a little bit and then sticking it like in behind, it's not too bad, but it's loose. So what I ended up doing, and I mean, it's totally up to you if you want to do something like this, is just put a little dab of hot glue on the light and then stick it against the thing. The nice thing about hot glue versus any other glue is it really doesn't ruin the Lego. It will just peel off when you want it to come off. So you're not really hurting anything. As long as you use the low temperature stuff, it's not going to melt into the plastic, so you should be alright. And it tacks it on nice and taut, so it won't come off. And that's basically it. That's what I'm doing for this one. It had to be battery operated because of the fact that it loops around. So this is what we're doing here. We might move the switch out to the side here somehow. Just snip the wires and then wire it out to the side just to turn it on and off. Make it easier than lifting the yellow thing all the time or sticking your finger in. But whatever the case may be, that is how we are going to go with that. So that's just a quick how-to on how to light up your carousel. $6 set. I think I got it for like $3 at the Boxing Day sale, and this is where you can pick up some of these LEDs, and it's great that way, and you can utilize them this way in your sets and your mocks, and you don't have to pay like some ridiculous $100 or $200 fee for a set of lights to go into this thing. Yes, if you really want them customized and all this and that, there is work to making them, and I can see why people charge the amount they charge. But you can use this method, and it works really well. And you don't have to go through buying and ordering from another company so far away and it takes so long to get to you, because some what they use is basically like some LEDs that are attached under here with the resistors, and then the wires back to the battery pack, which is basically the exact same thing as what we got going on here. So why not do it on the cheap if you can do it? I'm not saying don't go and buy from the other guys. You should support them, and that's fantastic. My background is in electronics, so I tend to fabricate things as I go along. So, I mean, I can make exactly what they have, but I really don't want to if I don't have to, because it takes my time. So, anyway, this is what I have come up with for the carousel, and it should work fine. Now, I went and grabbed a couple batteries, stuck them in, we'll turn them on, and you'll see if we can see them come on. Actually, batteries might be weak. Well, they're on, but the batteries are very weak, so we'll have to try it with some fresh batteries. But they do light up, and that's the main thing. If I can find the light, there's one light down there, LED down there, and let's see. You can sort of see it coming on and off there. So anyway, that's the principle behind it, that's the theory behind it, and it should work. We just get some fresh batteries, put this back together, and away we have our lighted carousel. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.